Hello student, my name is Priyam Singh and today we are going to discuss the answer of exercise and the question answer of chapter 1, that is evolution of a computer. As we had already completed this chapter in two parts, whose link given in your Google Classroom app. I hope you all saw these videos. If not, then go and see it first. Let's start the video. The first exercise is fill in the blanks. And the first question is, the first mechanical calculating device was abacus. Second is, Blaise Pascal invented the first mechanical calculating device, that is Pascaline. Submit is the world's fastest supercomputer. The first general purpose electronic computer was ENIAC. And fifth is, analytical engine was invented in year 1833. Now come to the second exercise, true or false. First, UNIVAC first was the first computer to handle both numeric and text data. Yes, true. Second, Charles Babbage invented the defense engine in year 1822. It is also true. The first generation computer used transistor technology. No, it is false. Fourth is, Mark I was invented by J.P. Actor. False. Fifth, George Boole designed the Boolean logic. Yes, it is true. Now come to the exercise number C, that is match the following column. Here column is divided into A and B. We have to match A with B. The first is Lady Augusta Lovelace, match with the first programmer. Second generation computers, match with transistor. Herman Holter, match with tabulating machine. Third generation computer, match with integrated circuit. Analytical engine, match with 1833. Now come to the application based question. First question is, Raman is working in a national weather forecasting agency. Which type of a computer is he using to forecast the weather condition? He is using supercomputer to forecast the weather condition. Okay. Now come to the question number 2. Which type of computers does Indian Railway use to interact with the customer for booking and cancellation of tickets? Mainframe computer is used for booking and cancellation of ticket. Okay. Now come to the exercise multiple choice questions. First, the era of first generation computer was answer B, that is year 1940 to 1956. Second, Dash is an example of supercomputer. Answer is A, that is Cray 1. Third, Dash are used in homes, schools, shops, offices, banks, etc. Answer is A, microcomputer. Fourth, Dash technology was used in second generation of computers. Answer is B, that is transistor. Fifth, Dash language was used in first generation of computers. Answer is B, that is machine. Now come to the exercise number F, that is answer the following question. First question, name the first mechanical computer. The first mechanical computer was the defense engine invented by Charles Babbage in year 1822. That much. Second, who is considered as the father of computers? Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer. Third, which was the first electronic digital computer and who invented it? ENIAC, write in capital ENIAC, then put a small bracket and write electronic numerical integrator and computer, then close the bracket. Was the first electronic digital computer designed by John Marconi and J.P. Actor in year 1946. That much. Now come to the question number 4. Write any three feature of fourth generation computer. You can take the answer from page number 10, fourth generation computer. You have to write the answer in point wise. You may write first point, they use microprocessor as the circuitry. Output given by input. First point is they use microprocessor as circuitry. Second point, input given by the help of keyboard, mouse and scanner. output given by the help of monitor, speaker and printer. You may also write use of RDB, MS and C++ as the language. Any three feature you can write from the 4th generation computer. Okay. Now come to the question number 5, that is name the types of microcomputers. We all know there are 3 types of microcomputer. First is desktop computers, second is laptop computers, third is tablet computers. Then you have to explain any two. Then again you write desktop, point number 1, desktop computer, underline it, then write are designed to fit on the top of the desk. These are come in several units. Then such as monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, which are connected to each other and work like a single unit. Now then come to the point number 2, laptop computers, underline it. Then these computers are small in size and can be placed on the lap. These are battery operated and portable, that much. Then write a short note on the device abacus. From here you can take, yes, abacus, page number 6. You have to write abacus, underline it. Then all the 5 points you have to write in a point wise. First point, abacus was the first mechanical device for calculation, developed in China. Second, it was made up of wooden frame with rod, each having bits. Third, the frame is divided into 2 parts, heaven and earth. Fourth, each rod in heaven has 2 bits and each rod in earth has 5 bits. Last point, it was used for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And you have to draw this diagram, figure 1.1. That is the diagram of abacus at the left side of this answer. You have to draw all the diagram along with the bits, write heaven and earth. Here we complete whole chapter, explanation as well as question answer and exercise part. Now your work to note down this question answer in the copy in good handwriting, and if you have book then you may write the exercise part in the book, and if you haven't then you may note down in copy and then learn it. In very soon I come with a revision video of this chapter. Thank you.